Thank you for joining Tech Talk. My name is Ernest Terry, AnErnestTech from aernesttech.com. My number is 215-402-7090. Let's talk. Today I want to mention to you a person who has been instrumental in home security inventions. Her name is Marie-van-Britton-Brown. While home security systems today are more advanced than ever, back in 1966, the idea for a home surveillance device seemed almost unthinkable. That was the year famous African-American inventor Marie-van-Britton-Brown and her partner Albert Brown applied for an invention patent for a closed-circuit television security system, the forerunner to the modern home security system. Brown's system had a set of 4 peepholes and a camera that could slide up and down to look out each one. Anything the camera picked up would appear on a monitor. An additional feature of Brown's invention was that a person also could unlock a door with a remote control. A female black inventor far ahead of her time, Marie-van-Britton-Brown created an invention that was the first in a long string of home security inventions that continue to flood the market today. You can find her as one of the famous African-American female inventors, Marie van-Britton-Brown or Marie Brown. Now, I have Dr. Mark Dean, known for computer inventions. First, as a child, Mark Dean excelled in math. In elementary school, he took advanced level math courses, and in high school, Dean even built his own computer, radio, and amplifier. Dean continued his interest and went on to obtain a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering from the University of Tennessee, a master's degree in electrical engineering from Florida Atlantic University, and a PhD in electrical engineering from Stanford. He is one of the most prominent black inventors in the field of computers. Dr. Mark Dean started working at IBM in 1980 and was instrumental in the invention of the personal computer, the PC. He holds 3 IBM Original 9 PC patents and currently holds more than 20 total patents. The famous African-American inventor never thought the work he was doing would end up being so useful to the world, but he has helped IBM make instrumental changes in areas ranging from research and application of systems technology circuits to operating environments. One of the most recent computer inventions occurred while leading the team that produced the 1 gigahertz chip, which contains 1 million transistors and has nearly limitless potential. Dr. Mark Dean, computer inventor. If you're looking to get on the radio, you can do that by way of your computer, and we can help you. You can call 215-402-7090, AnErnestTech. With your laptop computer, your desktop computer, and even your iPad, you can produce programming that can be heard to millions, right in your home, your church, your office, or your business. And we can help. The technology is here today. It's available to you. But you need to come and take advantage of it. There is room in the new digital age for you. Will you come? Will you come? We're reaching out for you. This has been Tech Talk with AnErnestTech. My name is Brother Ernest Terry. Oh, God bless you today. Let's talk next week.